So I have it hooked up, but it doesn't go even when I have the car on. So I've hooked up the backup camera, and I think the camera's dead. It doesn't seem to work no matter what I do. There's the backup camera. I have it hooked up back here. Got power to it. It just doesn't seem to work no matter what I do. Not sure if anyone has any ideas. I ran it through the little plug back there and drilled through my bumper and kind of ran it behind my license plate and super glued it, or hot glue, I guess. So yeah, that's the update. Been working on it for about a month now and still can't figure it out.